Greg, I'm going to start with you. The question is, let's fast forward, just 2 to 3 years from now, and let's talk about what are we going to be talking about on this show 2 to 3 years from now? What's the demand signal going to be on Pure Storage at that point in time?
Well, hopefully it'll be, man, Greg, you were right. We are really producing 394 zettabytes of data, right? Got to prove myself right. But in all seriousness, it's going to be about, hey, when we started 3 years ago around focusing on cost efficiency, about data-driven outcomes, about being able to manage data at scale, this is what we're focusing on today. And we've always focused on, we have for 15 years, is outcome can we give to our customers, to our end users, in your cases, clinicians? How can we give that consistent experience? But at the same time, understanding that, initiatives sometimes have focus on really cool and neat and innovative stuff, but sometimes shy away from the critical stuff. And what we've always found is the data is always critical. And as agencies have evolved over time, as data sets have grown, it's always been paramount, right? It's not just about an application, it's about the data, it's about the human experience with that data. How now, patients can now interact with their own data set, have accessibility, and now bring in outside industry from an open perspective to making sure we have consistency all the way across. So I'm very excited for what's coming in the next 3 years, and I'm even more excited knowing that I'm helping our customers set themselves up for success, knowing that they have assurance in their investment they have with their data. They don't have to rebuy storage and move stuff just for the sake of moving storage. Everyone loves, migrations for the sake of migrations. We can now be focused more forward leaning and working with partnerships like I mentioned earlier, Red Hat, and other folks, of giving that experience of the data life cycle. So now, as working with CIOs, chief data officers, we can have that larger conversation of, okay, where do you want to be 3 to 5 years from now, and here how we can give you that experience through automation, through invisible infrastructure, and give it that same experience throughout.